Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but let's jump straight into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. So today I'm going to be doing my DIY oil mixing process at home. And I'm going to be showing you how I mix my oils for my hair, skin and nails. This is castor oil. I use both the white and black version, or pressed and cold pressed version. That's olive oil. This is almond oil. And then I have some essentials, which is peppermint, tea tree and lavender. And as the video goes along, I will explain a few key points of the benefits of each oil. So as you can see, I've recycled some bottles. I'm starting off with castor oil. And for my hair, the benefits of using castor oil, actually this bottle is going to be for my body. So once I put my skin lotion on, then I'll put my oil on. And the benefits of castor oil for the skin is that it treats wrinkles, it treats dry skin, and it clears up acne if you've got acne on your body or your face. But I'll only be using this for my body. Then I'm going in with some olive oil. And I'm not doing any measurements. You can make up your own measurements, guys. Olive oil adds softness to the skin, smoothness to the skin, and it fights bacteria that is produced from the environment. So it's a good antioxidant for the skin as well. Almond oil, it's healthy. It promotes healthy skin. It retains moisture in the skin. And it helps to protect the skin from UV radiation. So I just shake that all up, and that's what I'll be using after my lotion. Now, the next bottle that I've recycled and used is going to be for my hair, the mid-lengths to ends of my hair only. I start off with olive oil, and the benefits of olive oil is to treat dandruff, mend split ends, and soften the hair. Benefits of almond oil with the hair is to treat hair loss, nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair. Then I'm going in with some lavender, and the benefits of lavender oil is to stimulate the scalp, deep condition the hair and control dandruffs and add shine. The benefit of tea tree is to reduce dandruff, reduce dry scalp and to unclog the hair follicles. So when I'm doing the LCO method, this is what I'll be using. And of course there's many different benefits, but I'm just naming a few. The last oil mix that I'm making is just going directly on my scalp to promote hair growth. So I've started off with castor oil, and the benefits of this is shiny hair, healthy hair, prevents hair loss, and to stimulate the blood flow within my scalp so that it can promote hair growth. So that's when I use my dark castor oil. Almond oil for the hair is to treat hair loss, nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair. And peppermint oil for the hair is to improve hair growth, it adds a fresh smell, and it prevents hair loss. So this container is going to be for my scalp only, and I typically oil my scalp maybe 1 to 2 times per week. That's on wash day, and maybe once again during the week, and that's it. I'm just going to demonstrate to you how I use the oils and the amount of shine that it can add onto the skin. So that's how I do it. You can make your own DIY oils at home and save money instead of paying £10 per bottle at the hair shop.